yun nga, if it would level up.
Well, we definitely leveled up. Role is very challenging. Mas challenging siya sa Diary ng Puti.
Hindi naman mag-break up.
Pero yung sa personal level, ang gusto ko, alam mo, yeah, yung you as not part of the, yung alam mo, yun nga, yung pagiging ano nyo, friends, na di ba, sabi mo, pwede naman siya maging girlfriend.
Yeah, I mean, we get pretty close. Mas close kami ngayon. Is Diary ng Puti. She's a really great girl.
So bakit ano pa, ang nag-hold back sa'yo?
I really don't want to be in a relationship right now. Last time it kind of was destructive to my career, so I really want to make it this time.
Pero si Nadine naman, ano, hindi naman siya maging distraction sa the way I see it, sa career mo kasi, you know, you're helping each other pa nga eh.
Yeah, but while we're still busy making the movie, we want to focus first. When we have free time, we'll see.
Pero are you dating?
No, definitely not.
Sa ano, dito sa ABS-CBN Girls, sino ang ano mo, crush mo?
For now, wala. Wala pa. But we'll see.
Why? Just because of Nadine?
No, it's not that. I haven't been here for a long time, so
Ikaw din ba yung tipong ano, sacrifice yung personal feeling mo over sa love team na kinukup?
sorry.
Are you also kind of ano, person na isa-sacrifice ang personal feelings mo over doon sa love team dahil sa love team na ano, kumbaga binibuild up?
Sacrifice my personal feelings.
Yeah, for somebody other than Nadine.
I'm not really sacrificing my feelings. I mean, having fun and enjoy being in love. We have a lot of fun together, so I'm not really sacrificing anything.
So pero may possibility talaga na ano, yung love team na yun could transcend to ano, being
Well,
person.
since we met a year ago, it's definitely transcended.
Thank you po.